Hey Mika, today is November 2nd, 2017, and I feel like a canary in the coal mine all the time. But particularly today on two fronts. First of all, I got into a discussion on this side of the Atlantic, the UK, about social care. And the UK is quickly coming to a crisis point in regards to social care, and if we do not take care of it, the economic impact will be as big as global warming, climate change. There, I said it. No one else wants to say it. We are in trouble. There are so many people that need care in the UK or who will need care in the next decade. And we have so few resources that we're in trouble. And politicians, people need to start paying attention to this because it's going to affect me, your mom, your grandmom, everybody. Because everyone deserves care when they're no longer able to take care of themselves. And then, make matters even better, Trump's tax cut has, decided that it's going to no longer allow medical deductions. So I'm just screwed on either side of the Atlantic. Medical deductions are, in my mind, one of the few benefits to living in the U.S. when the U.S. doesn't have a national health care system. It means that if you are lucky enough to pay for a $5,000 wheelchair out of pocket, you can then take that money off of your taxes. And you can take health insurance off of your taxes. And you can take just about anything you buy for medical purposes off of your taxes, which is great for someone like me. But it is, Trump is proposing that we get rid of it, which essentially means that people don't have the ability to claim what they need back from the government. So those of us who are disabled and need a lot more shit to live our lives, they, don't get a tax break. Why? We are already doing, and we are already so desperate to live in this world, and now you take away one of the few things that give us a little bit of equality. That's just great. I don't know what to do, honestly. I have been saying to my friends for the past 3 years that disability rates matter. And that is not, that's not becoming clear. And that's not becoming clear to politicians. But that also isn't becoming clear to my friends. and the many of my friends, the subtle ableism that creeps into our dinner parties, into their conversation, into everything is absolute bullshit. Bullshit! Bullshit! Because the fact is, if you live long enough, you become disabled. You want to know what the alternative is? You don't live long enough. Disability is a fact of life. Stop saying it will never happen to me because it will. And you know what? If you say it will never happen to me and it does, I will feel terrible. But part of me will be going, karma, bitch. Really. Because it's life. Just because you were born able-bodied, or you made it through 30 able-bodied, or you made it to 70 able-bodied, doesn't mean that you're not vulnerable, and that is the reality of this world. And if you cannot face that reality, you have a serious psychological problem that you need to address. End of story. So, social care matters. This tax cut, which benefits gardeners here in the U.S., is a problem. It will create more dependency on the government. Social care needs to be taken care of. Absolute bullshit on both sides of the Atlantic. And frankly, they ought to be ashamed. But Theresa May government and Donald Trump's government, that what they are doing is absolutely criminal and cruel. And all of them need to go sit in timeout or fuck off. I said it. I'm done. I'm sure YouTube will love putting the explicit banner on this video blog. There you go. And if you don't think I'm pissed off at Mishka, go talk to your mom and ask her if I was really like this when we worked together in 2017. Absolutely. What do I say at the end of every vlog? Oh yeah. You are loved. You are precious. You can see multitudes. Don't think that your ability is a God-given birthright, because it isn't. I love you. Sorry I'm pissed off. But that's me. Bye.